How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the SoCal Workshop YouTube channel. My name is Brendan, and today we're going to go over the May deal of the month. So let's get into it. So our first item in our deal of the month is going to be a 7-inch auto-right buffer. It spins at 3,500 RPM. The shell is made of high-impact ABS plastic, so it's pretty durable. The first bonnet that it comes with is going to be the microfiber. The microfiber bonnet can be used for cleaning leather, upholstery, glass, and especially your paint. This is a little bit more aggressive than the cotton bonnet that can be used for finishing. The cotton bonnet can be used to polish pretty much anything, such as aluminum, glass, chrome, stainless steel, plastic, and again your paint as well. So this machine is very versatile. Our next item in our deal of the month is going to be our Venom 2000. This is a nice 2000 grit polish, so it'll take out 2000 grit sand scratches and above, as well as removing medium oxidation. It does have a diminishing abrasive in there, so over time it does work its way down to give you a nice finish at the end. It's silicone free, so it's body shop safe if you're using it in that setting. Next item in our deal of the month is going to be a 400 gram weight microfiber towel. Personally, I like this towel a lot because it has a high pile on one side to remove waxes and compounds, and it has a short pile microfiber on the other side for things such as detail sprays. And lastly, our last item in our deal of the month is going to be our SoCal Workshop air freshener. It smells like pina colada, has a nice pleasant scent to it, and keeps your cabin smelling fresh. Let's go ahead and see this thing in action. Alright, so the fun part's done, the taping. I got this side here for the after, and this is going to be the before. So we're going to see how well this machine works. I'm going to start out using the microfiber polishing pad. Put 4 nickel-sized dots on the bonnet, then we're going to spread it in. Now that our pad is loaded, we're going to go ahead and put 4 pea-sized dots onto our bonnet. Now we're going to go ahead and dab this on a panel of the car, and then just gonna work in straight lines, overlapping halfway each time you come down. After we do that, we're gonna go the opposite way. We'll pull out the vehicle and get a nice 50-50 shot of before and after. Alright guys, so we're all done polishing one half of the hood, so I'm going to go ahead and do a live reveal, pull off the tape, and see how the two compare. So you guys may not be able to see, but there are some little micro marring or sun halos on this side, and on this side it just looks so smooth, just like glass, even feels like glass. So definitely a good quality polisher for the price, and you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to get that nice shine. Thank you so much guys for watching. We'll see you guys next week. Make sure to visit our website www.socalworkshop.com for all the products that you guys saw in this video. We'll see you guys next week. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the SoCal Workshop YouTube channel. My name is... You're going to be getting